Hello and welcome to another update video about SUI. SUI could be one of the winners of the next rally. However, we have not yet clearly bottomed in this current support region here. There's a little bit more work to do. Okay, the price needs to confirm that a little more to us. We need a little bit more upside momentum, and we need to take out some swing highs. So far, this has not yet happened. Okay, so we're still stuck in a range here pretty much. Over the last few weeks, the market sort of, just consolidated above has consolidated above a micro support area. And we're going to take a look at that. Before we zoom in, however, quick look at the bigger picture for new viewers. So from the October 23 low, the market rallied in a 5-wave pattern into the March 2024 highs. So what we can see is that we have a 5-wave move with a wave 1 which topped in November last year. Then we had a wave 2 pullback also into the November lows. A long and extended third wave. Quick friendly reminder, third waves are usually the strongest waves in a cycle. And that's precisely what we've seen here again. And then a small 4 and a 5. This fifth wave, I would have liked it to be a little stronger, but it is a 5-wave move overall. And that gives us a possible wave 1 to the upside. But because the fifth wave ended as a 3-wave move, I have to consider the initial move up as a 5-wave pattern leading diagonal. Then, however, that means, okay, based on the high, we can add a support area to the chart for the subsequent wave 2 pullback. And the wave 2 pullback might be complete. Might have completed here at this low point at the 50% retracement at 89 cents. Important is that the bulls turn up before the price breaks below 53 cents. That's the key level. That's the important level. The 78.6 retracement. We don't want the current pullback end below that level because it would indicate weakness, and it would indicate more weakness than we would normally want to see in such a wave 2 correction. So the next support levels here on this chart are 89 cents, 72 and 53 cents, whereas the 53 cent level is really, let's say, the last reliable level for a wave 2 correction. Again, wave 1 to the upside, it's the first 5-wave move. And then a wave 2 pullback, well, that is the, let's say, that's the pullback that is correcting the first trending move. First move up in an uptrend and then a counter trend move. 5 waves up followed by 3 waves down, but it needs to hold above the 78.6 fib level, or I will assume that, or have to assume basically, that the impulse failed to the upside, or the diagonal. So, and then anything below the 53 cent level will mean that the chart is kind of in a no man's land situation. We've got the red line, which is the invalidation point for the 1-2 setup. And then we have the 78.6 retracement, which is the last ideal support. So if we take a look at the shorter time frame or zoom in, and we have 2 counts. I've got 1 count in which the correction could be completed. In this scenario, the 94 cent level, however, needs to hold. And if we break below 94 cents, then I have to assume that the wave 2 is still unfolding. That's just noise. What really matters is, do we have 5 waves up? And you could say possibly yes, which is why I added this micro support area. And this here could be a flat correction that developed, looks similar to PIF, the PIF chart. And from here, the third wave up could start. But it won't be confirmed until we break above the high of the wave 1 at $1.18. And then there could be some resistance around 138. And then obviously that last swing high around 144 and 177. That's these are the next milestone targets to the upside that the bulls need to break. And ultimately, to keep the white wave count alive, the bulls need to avoid a break below 94 cents. If it happens, 89 and 72 cents are the next support levels, and we're likely coming down in wave C of 2 in the yellow count, just in a more extended wave 2. But overall, yeah, SUI could perform quite well to the upside. What I'd like to see in this larger third wave is the price to reach $10. I hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership. Also make sure that you follow us on Instagram and Twitter for additional content. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye bye.